Good morning, students. We're learning about last class distance time graph and the speed time graph, and then type of distance time graph different type of graphs, and gradient value, and then acceleration of increasing value, decreasing value, zero value. Okay, and gradient value increasing, decreasing, and zero value is also discussed over the last class. Okay, and we are today discussing the topic comparison between distance time and then speed time graph. Okay, so if we comparing the two concept, distance time graph and then the speed time graph, if a comparison, what is the similar, what is the differentiation is also is explained here. Okay, and if we discussing for the last class distance time graph and the speed time graph, if we then graph looking very similar, okay, it's not for a very highly variation, it be very similar, but they are given for a different information. Okay, it's not a same information given the different information. Okay, we can then differentiate them by looking at the labels. Okay, so if we given for one examples, for this speed and time and then distance and time. Okay, you see that then concept. Okay, if we are always taken for of the first concept, um, if a to b, from a to b is mean this point a to b. If then two graph is explained here, first one distance time graph, then y axis is distance, x axis is the time. Okay, and the same speed is y axis and time is x axis also. Okay, so if you then discussing of the two concept, distance and speed value, what is the what is the different of values. Okay, if you taken for of y axis is in indicating the distance, if in taken of a y-axis indicating the speed. Okay, so if you then explain that this concept only speed and time graph, and this concept only distance time graph. Okay, so what is the concept? From a to b, car accelerate uniformly from rest. Okay, so a to b, so a to b position, this is a to b position, is also a to b position. What is the explain of the two concept for the speed and time graph and then distance time graph? Okay, the distance moved increasing at increasing the rate. Okay, hence the gradient increasing. Okay, so if you initially the car at rest, or object is rest, if you're moving off gradually increases. Okay, so gradually increases mean if your distance is increases, if you're then increasing of rate. Okay, so the gradient also increases. And the same concept, the speed time graph, the speed is increases uniformly over the time, then gradient is positive constant. Okay, positive and constant also. Okay, so if you're moving off the car, if initially rest is in moving off the initially increasing and gradient value and positive value, correct only, no. And second, b to c portion. Okay, and also here b to c portion is a car moving the constant speed. Okay, so if a car moving in the constant speed, okay, listen, the concept is b to c, the speed is constant, means the graph is here the horizontal of line. Correct, the same for the distance moved increasing the uniformly over time, is in gradient of position is constant. Okay, so the gradient position is also constant value. Okay, it's moving of values gradually increasing also for the constant value of moving. Okay, and if a third one from C to D, the car is declared uniformly to at stop. Okay, so if you then speed if you then explain that concept, distance moving the increases at a decreasing rate. Okay, hence the gradient of decreasing. Okay, so if you increasing of value after, if you decreasing of the zero value. Okay, so if it gradually increases after, if it decreasing of value, the gradient value is zero, decreasing value. Okay, so here also if you clearly explain of the C to D point, the speed is decreases uniformly over time. If then gradient is negative of constant, correct, if you're moving of the constant is a negative of constant value. So this graph, if we explain for different between distance time graph and then speed time graph. Okay, if initially you must similar of the graph value, but if you given for the different of information, that's only then explain the concept. Okay, so a to b and b to c and d to c to d. Okay, that is the point. If you explain of the increasing of value and constant of value and decreasing of value, here also if increasing of positive of value, constant of value and negative of value. Okay, so if you given for the different value, it's not the same value. Okay, now we are discussing for the next concept, center of gravity and stability. Okay, so what is the center of gravity? Okay, And what is the stability? If you explain for briefly here, try to balance a cardboard on your fingertip. What do you observe? We observe there is only one point which then cardboard is balanced. All the point is not a balanced. Okay, if you taken off any, if you taken off any material, if your finger point, if you suppose if you are then balancing of note, if a center point only is balanced in stable of the point. Okay, suppose if you taking off center of point, this point is mean it's not a stability, correct, only you're falling down. Suppose if you taken off center the point, okay, if you taken the one note, if a center point if taken mean if you have stability here. Okay, so that's only explained here. um, if you only one point is a cardboard is balanced, the point which is called cardboard balanced is called center of gravity of cardboard. Not only for of cardboard, if you taken off any regular of object, irregular of object, you usually observe of concept center of gravity. Okay, so what is the center of gravity? The center of gravity, if a stability point, okay, which material you taken, that material if a stability are your hand, that point is called of center of gravity. Okay, so if it is center of gravity, there is an irregular of point. Okay, so if it is center of gravity, the center of the point, what is the meaning of center of the point here? If the material if is stably of this point only. Okay, so then total full of the earth or weight if appearing the acting through the center of gravity is called the center of gravity. Okay, so if a definition very important, very center of gravity, the center of gravity of an object, then point through the its entire weight is object appear to act. The entire of weight acting appearing point is called of center of gravity. That is called the center of gravity is in different materials, different center of point is having. Okay, how to view? How do we find the center of gravity of object? Okay, if you given for the some object, the some object is mean if a regular shape object. Okay, so center of gravity for the regular shaped object. Okay, so if a regular shape object, if you taken for of triangles, okay, and if a rectangular, okay, in a circular, okay, some of the values is given. So if you then if you taken off this point, center of gravity is acting for the this point only. Okay, and if a triangle, if you taken off the center of gravity, if you meeting the all the point is called the center of gravity. Okay, this circular point is also for a center of gravity, center of the point. If a disc of point, if also ring point is also for center point, this point, so weight is a ring of point values. Okay, so if a chord of value center point is called center of gravity, and triangle of point, all the 3 point is meeting the point is called center of gravity. And the disk also, if a center of point is center of gravity, disk center of gravity, and the ring center of gravity. Generally the center of gravity of the geometrical shaped object on the geometrical center of the gravity. What is the how to if you find out the center of gravity, then geometrically center point. Okay, the regular shaped object, if a geometrically center of point is called the center of gravity. Okay, so examples of center of gravity for regular shape object, weight of chord. Okay, the geometrically center point is called center of gravity, is mean of a chord center of gravity. The weight of triangle. Okay, so the weight of triangle, if a geometrically center point is also for the triangle of center of gravity. So weight of disk, then geometrical center point, and triangle, and if a ring, a geometrical center point is also six kind of concept if a center of gravity. Okay, and what about irregular shaped object? How can we find out irregular shape of object center of gravity? If a regular shape object, if we easily find out geometrically center of point is called center of gravity. Okay, is easily observed. But how can if you make then irregular shape of object center of gravity? Okay, so if you apparently if you irregular shaped cord, okay, if you taken off a irregular shaped cord on a string and pendulum of and stand. Okay, that is a diagram. Okay, irregular shape of the object. Okay, and one stand, and then the thread, and if above. Okay, so if you find out the irregular shape of center of gravity, make the 3 holes in the lamina. Okay, make the 3 holes in the lamina. Okay, and substitute the lamina from of optical pin through the holes and holes. Okay, So that is a holes if you in optical film the substance here. Okay, substance then if you